How to disable save video option on your TikTok video. So let's begin by opening our TikTok app and then proceeding to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're right here, simply click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're right here, click on Privacy under the Account section and then scroll down and look for the Interactions section. Once you're in the interaction section, click on Downloads and then make sure to turn this off by clicking on the toggle button and make sure that the toggle button has turned into gray and not blue. Again, click on the toggle button and ensure that this button will turn into gray and not blue, which signifies that your video cannot be downloaded by other users on TikTok. So, again, should go to your profile, go to the lines, click on settings, go to privacy, go to downloads, and turn off this option. So that's it. That's how you can disable save video option on your TikTok video.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.